Ladies and gentlemen, the SUSE and Rancher community proudly presents Front Row at KubeCon.
Hello and welcome back to Front Row at KubeCon. My name is Robert Serchia. I'm part of the SUSE Rancher community, and I am judged by Shailesh Manjrekar. I think I got that right, from the company Weka. And he is joining us digitally. Like most of our guests here are going to be digitally. We have about 15,000 plus attendees. They're enjoying KubeCon remotely, just like Shailesh, and about 3,000 here in person. So Shailesh from Weka. Weka is a great partner of SUSE. And Shailesh, why don't you tell us a little bit about Weka and what you guys are doing in the cloud native space?
Well, first of all, thank you for inviting us, Robert. Very excited to be here. I represent Weka. We are a high-performance parallel distributed data platform, and we are designed to solve application problems, both cloud native and enterprise applications, which leverage either GPU compute, they leverage cloud, and they leverage Kubernetes. And my name, as you said, is Shailesh Manjrekar. I head AI and strategic alliances here at Weka, and again, very excited to be here.
Now, you guys are doing a lot with the data plane. You guys are doing a lot of integrations with us at the Rancher team. Are you guys doing any solutions for that hybrid, where most of our customers are looking at doing, both in the hyperscaler and in data on-prem?
Absolutely. In fact, we bring a very unique advantage. So our data platform is purely software defined. And what that means is it lends itself extremely well when you have use cases which go from the edge to the core to the cloud. So just like the flexibility and the portability what Kubernetes provides on the compute side, we are able to provide the same thing on the storage side. Plus, by virtue of being software defined, it lends itself extremely well whether you are doing you're just doing a white box server and putting Weka on top of that, you're building an appliance, or you're working in AWS Cloud, where we're also available in AWS Marketplace.
And you guys are providing that same functionality, both on-prem and the hyperscalers, to give that ease of use for all of our customers?
Absolutely, exactly same bit, same code drop. So whether you are deploying it on premises in a core data center, or you're deploying it in AWS Marketplace, is the exact same software, and there is no vendor lock-ins. You have the complete portability, whether you're moving from on-premises to off-premises in hybrid workload.
And that really helps the developer experience, because they're not managing different planes, or they're not managing different experiences. It's one that helps them focus on developing applications and delivering business value, correct?
Absolutely, absolutely. We were designed primarily to be able to, it's all about business outcomes, right? When customers are looking for first to market, first to insights, right? That's the kind of performance we provide. So our claim to fame essentially is we provide the performance of an block storage, we provide the simplicity of a NAS device, and we provide the scale of an object store. So we bring together the best of all these three worlds, and that directly results into customers who are able to get insights a lot more faster. We work with a lot of GPU accelerated customers who are doing AI/ML data pipelines for life sciences, for genomics, for financials, and as well as for autonomous vehicles. And by virtue of getting that same performance experience in a Kubernetes and containerized world, the customers are able to get the benefits of a Kubernetes environment, the portability, the immutability, and so on, while getting the same performance, so that they can get faster insights, they get the best economics, because we're able to club flash as well as object in a hard disk drive environment in the same global namespace, as well as very rich data management capabilities in the Kubernetes world.
That's some awesome things to hear. And for your experience here, being virtual, have you been through any of the virtual experiences as well?
Yeah, I've attended a few sessions. It's been awesome. And particularly in the times we're living in, I think it works out extremely well, right? And I'm sure we're going to see more and more of this as we go along.
Now, as we're talking to members of our community, where can they go to find a little more about Weka and what you guys are up to in that space?
Yeah, so you can clearly go to our website, but most importantly, in the Rancher context, we are fully integrated with Rancher and in the Rancher application catalog. So anybody who downloads Rancher, whether they're doing it at the edge, whether they're doing it at the core, or they're doing it as a managed service, we will be present in the application catalog. And what we do is once you click on the application catalog, you'll get to our CS plugin, which provides statefulness, persistent volume claims, and so on, all the good things which come with a Kubernetes environment. And that's all open source component. And then you're able to point to an Weka cluster, which can again reside either on premises, it can reside in a core data center, or it can reside in an AWS marketplace, right? So certainly go out and be familiarize yourself from the Rancher environment, or you can just go directly to the Weka Data Platform website.
Awesome. You guys have made it easy to find out about your platform, touch it, play with it, get used to it. You guys, it's almost turnkey, correct?
Absolutely. You can certainly do on-premises POCs, or you can leverage us in AWS for testing this out, doing a POC as well, and get a feel for what we bring to the table.
Awesome. Well, Shail, thank you very much for your time. We really do appreciate you being here, part of the SUSE Rancher community, and we will be seeing you in the community. Enjoy the rest of your concerts virtually.
Well, thank you, Robert. I really appreciate you guys inviting me, and I'm looking forward to a great partnership with SUSE Rancher in this cloud native world.
Awesome. Thank you.